When we take loan, we have to pay back the amount with interest rate, right? So by doing loan amortization, we get to know how much in our installment is the principal amount and how much is the interest payment. Suppose we have taken loan of 30 lakhs at a rate of 10% interest rate, and term is 20, means in 20 installments you have to pay back the amount with interest. So from this, let's do and calculate the PMT, means payment in each installment. So let's, okay, when you write down PMT, you get it and get the formula. First one is rate. So click on rate and then put a comma, and then term, n per means how many terms. PV means the present value, which is 30 lakhs. Now FV, in FV, type 0, and the last one type is also 0. Bracket close and enter, you get it. Now you see that it's in negative form. So you have to do is that before B5, place a minus, then you get the positive result right now. Okay. Now we have got the payment. Let's start the math. N per means how many terms, right? Interest and how many installments you have to do. So we're going to do this like in the second row is the first one plus 1, we get the second. So if we drag it from here to until how many terms? 20 terms, right? Drag it to 20, we get the term. Let's drag it till 20. Now in 20 payments we have to pay back the amount. So the beginning balance is 30 lakhs. Okay. Now payment, you got the payment, you have calculated it. So if we drag it from here till 20 terms, you see the result will be 0, because there is a problem. When you drag it down, it will calculate B10. Okay. So we have to lock the amount. So every time it will be the fixed amount, right? The payment, it will be fixed. So to do that, use this $sign before B and 9, and now drag it down to 20. You see all the results are similar. So we have locked the box. So let's pause it for a while, because I had to give medicine to my grandmother. Okay, let's start it. So interest payment, let's do the first 2 columns, then we'll just drag it down and it will be automatically calculated. So interest payment will be on the beginning balance always. Okay, so multiplied by percentage is 10. So you see 3 lakhs is the interest payment. Now we have to draw lock that to 10% so that it doesn't change. Okay, principal amount is the payment minus the interest amount, and the ending balance is the beginning balance minus the principal amount. Okay. Let's drag it down all the column till 20, and don't look at the amounts, don't get confused. Just it will automatically be calculated once we adjust the beginning balance. Okay, so it will be changed, don't worry about that. Now the second year beginning balance will be the first year's ending balance, right? So if we drag it from here to 20, you see all the amounts is calculated, is been adjusted. And how do you know that it's accurate? Because at the end of the ending balance will be 0. Okay, so from this result we get to know that we have done this accurately. So this is how we calculate a loan amortization in Excel. Is easier, way more easier than handwritten calculation, because everything is given. How many terms, it doesn't matter. Is 20 term, maybe if it were monthly or quarterly, then the calculation would be more lengthy, but it will not take time when you're doing it in Excel. So this is how we do the math in Excel. Thank you very much for watching this video.